was waiting to make a left-hand turn, and evidently the lady behind me was not paying attention and slammed into the back of my car, doing about 50, and pushed me into the oncoming traffic. So I got hit head-on by another guy doing about 50, so it was like bang, bang. And so it happened really quick, and luckily I didn't lose consciousness and was able to get out when the EMTs arrived. But it was pretty serious. In the hospital for about 4 days, a variety of injuries. Torn aortic covering, broken clavicle, toes dislocated, and fractured back and stuff like that. First of all, you're rushed off to the hospital, so things happen really quickly. It's when you're laying in the hospital and you start thinking about the consequences and what's taking place. Of course, I had never been in any kind of accident like this before, a fender bender or something like that. So this was much more serious, and I didn't know what to expect. And we're just not the kind of people that say, oh, how much money can we get out of this? That was not our mindset. Our mindset was what's appropriate, what's fair, what's expected. My son-in-law actually went to school with Adam. He said, who are you going to get for a lawyer? And at first we didn't even look into it, we weren't even thinking about it. And he said, well, you've got to follow up, you've got to find yourself a lawyer. I have a friend from high school that I really liked, and it was Adam Resmini. Adam came over right away. I mean, as soon as I was home, he came over. And I think I was impressed most by the fact that he seemed to be more interested in me and my health and my recovery than a client. We wanted a more personal touch, and Adam really supplied that personal kind of contact. So I was impressed by that, and I really appreciated it. I told Adam we weren't so much after the money as much as just being fair, and he said that's what we want to be. We want to be fair, and I'll be here to help you out with that. He was pretty good about informing me what was going to take place, the time frame, when it was going to take place, and what to expect. And I really couldn't ask for much more than that. The receptionists and Bridget and Yolanda were always helpful in trying to answer any questions I had. My recovery's been good. I've considered myself very lucky, because I could have easily been paralyzed for life, or the car could have caught on fire, or there could have been a number of things that happened. And so for me, I've been very grateful for essentially a complete recovery. And Adam was good all the way through that. When he called, it wasn't just talking business. It was, how you doing? What's bothering you? Is there anything I can do to make the journey a little easier? I would recommend them because they treated you like a person. They seemed to care about you as a person and how you were doing. If I had a situation where I was talking to somebody and they said, we're looking for a lawyer, I would recommend them because of those qualities that they have.